Minimalism. It sounds a bit fancy, doesn't it? But it's really quite simple. It's about living with less stuff, less stress, less waste. It's about focusing on what truly matters. Now, this doesn't mean you have to live in a white box with one chair. It's about making conscious choices about what you own and how you live. It's about creating a home that brings you joy, a home that is free from clutter and full of purpose. Minimalism looks different for everyone. It's about finding what works for you and your family. Imagine waking up in a tidy room, the sun is shining, and you can actually find your favorite shirt. That's the beauty of minimalism. It helps you streamline your daily routine. Less stuff means less cleaning, less tidying, less organizing. Imagine having more time for hobbies, family, and the things you love. Minimalism frees up your time and energy. It allows you to focus on experiences rather than possessions. It's about living intentionally and making each moment count. Right, let's get stuck in. Today we're diving into some simple yet effective DIY tips to help you declutter and organize your space. Decluttering can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With a few easy steps, you can transform your living space into a serene and organized haven. Start small, tackle one drawer, one shelf, or one room at a time. Breaking it down into manageable tasks makes the process less overwhelming and more achievable. The one-year rule is a great place to start. If you haven't used something in a year, it's probably time to let it go. This rule helps you make decisions quickly and efficiently. Donate it, sell it, or recycle it. There are plenty of options for giving your unused items a new life, and you'll feel lighter and more organized. Next up, those pesky duplicates. How many spatulas does one kitchen actually need? Evaluate your items and keep only what you truly use and love. Be honest with yourself and get rid of the excess. It can be tough, but the reward is a more functional and enjoyable space. Remember, decluttering isn't about deprivation, it's about making space for the things that truly matter. By letting go of the unnecessary, you create room for joy, peace, and the things that bring you happiness. Organization is key creating calm spaces. A well-organized space can transform your home into a sanctuary of calm and tranquility. Now that you've decluttered, let's talk organization. It's not just about getting rid of things, but about finding a place for everything. A well-organized home is a happy home. When everything has its place, it's easier to maintain order and find what you need quickly. Clear containers are your best friend. They allow you to see exactly what you have, making it easier to keep track of your items. They keep things tidy and easy to find. Label everything. Labels add an extra layer of organization, ensuring that everyone in the household knows where things belong. It might seem a bit over the top, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. An organized pantry can save you time and reduce stress when preparing meals. No more rummaging around for the sellotape. With a well-organized drawer, you can find what you need in seconds. Vertical space is often overlooked. Utilizing wall-mounted storage solutions can free up floor space and keep your home looking neat. Shelves and drawers are great, but don't forget about wall-mounted storage solutions. They're perfect for maximizing space in smaller rooms. Remember, a tidy home equals a tidy mind. When your surroundings are in order, it's easier to focus and relax. Creating calm and organized spaces can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. A serene environment promotes relaxation and a sense of peace, making your home a true haven. The joys of less benefits of minimalism. Minimalism isn't just about having a tidy house, it's about living a more fulfilling life. By reducing the clutter around you, you create space for what truly matters. This can lead to a more focused and intentional way of living. When you have less stuff, you appreciate what you have more. Each item holds more value and meaning, making your possessions more cherished and significant. You value quality over quantity. Investing in fewer but higher quality items ensures that they last longer and serve you better, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. It encourages you to be more mindful of your consumption habits. You start to think critically about what you bring into your life, leading to more thoughtful and deliberate choices. You think twice before buying something new. This not only helps in reducing unnecessary purchases, but also fosters a sense of satisfaction with what you already own. Minimalism can also save you money. By cutting down on impulse buys and focusing on essentials, you can significantly reduce your expenses. Less spending on unnecessary items means more money for experiences and investments. You can use the savings to enrich your life through travel, hobbies, or personal growth opportunities. Most importantly, it brings a sense of peace and contentment. A clutter-free environment can lead to a clutter-free mind, reducing stress and increasing overall well-being. You feel lighter, freer, and more in control of your life. Embracing minimalism allows you to focus on what truly matters, leading to a more intentional and fulfilling existence. Your minimalist journey starts today. So, are you ready to embrace the minimalist lifestyle? Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about taking small steps and finding what works for you. Start by decluttering a small area, then tackle another. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey. Minimalism is a gift you give yourself. It's a gift of time, freedom, and peace of mind. What are you waiting for? Your minimalist journey starts today.